What up? It's your boy AD, and that's all day, and I'm in the spot. Finna talk about some real stuff, you feel me? Right now, this video is finna be called Relationships Replaced by Screens and Numbers, really. And in this video, I'm basically going to talk about how people used to be way closer to each other, how people used to know one another, how people were quick to have people in their real lives, but now people have changed now, and now people only care about people on the screen now. All they care about is these so-called people who have a lot of followers, likes, views, whatever. And that seems to be like who all they care about now, who they really think they know and who they really want to be cool with and stuff like that. It's like for example, one of the worst things I think that hit society and people was social media, especially Facebook. Why? Because it's like everybody is on it now, which is ridiculous. Because this online stuff allows you to be fake and not be who you are. You know, it's a better chance of someone really knowing you if they're really around you, getting to know you. I mean, how can you really know a person unless you have a lot of sense, which a lot of people don't? Because most people just looking for material shit and come-ups anyways. Most people are not really going to take the time out to want to get to know you to see what you're really about. That's why they got these numbers here. So instead of even looking now, you could just look at a number now and just see like, oh, you have this. Just like money. You could just look at the amount of money they so-called have and think they got this. When clearly anyone can lie on social media. Most people on social media are liars. Plain and simple. Why would you want to go on social media and tell everybody what the hell you doing? And why would you want to tell them bad things about yourself? We live in a world where most people think they're perfect and would never tell you something is wrong. Really wrong. They'll try to make them themselves look perfect as ever. That's why all day on social media, all you see most of the time is people stunting and fronting. You don't really see real stuff. People talking about real things, doing real stuff. You know, it's like everybody nowadays don't even got real friends anymore. Like, for real. It's like most people you know don't. They don't got no real friends. They just got people they just use for attention, just like they got all them friends on Facebook that they use to make themselves look better. They don't care about y'all. All they care about is being looked at and getting attention. It's always, every time I see a group of friends damn near nowadays, it's always somebody leeching off somebody. It's always somebody using somebody for something. I mean, these people will be around each other all day but still won't know each other, know anything about each other or respect each other. I see that a lot. But people be hiding how they really feel about folks so they can get what they want out of people. So they'll sit there and lie in front, even though it's still easy to see. But again, people don't pay attention like that. Because it's clear as day to see when somebody is fronting. It's pretty obvious. You know? It's sad, man, because like I said, people used to be more together. You see, it's another bad thing is think about the children. Think about the children who really never will get a chance to have any real friends or at least a close connection with a human being. Now they're going to grow up thinking about the screens. For real. I was just watching Raven's Home yesterday. And it was an episode I watched where that's all it was about. These kids were worried about stupid fake friends who they don't freaking know. They want all y'all thinking y'all like mini celebrities, when in reality you shouldn't even care about celebrities that much. What are they doing for you? Do you know them? What are they doing for you? Just like these people y'all so thirsty to follow and look at on Facebook that y'all think got stuff. What are they doing for you? Do you know them? Are they trying to teach somebody and help the world, or are they just showing out trying to make you be goofy for them? You don't even know these people. You should always care about the people that's around you, okay? Not saying don't care about others too, because you should care about people, even people in other countries you should care about. But the most important thing is the people that's around you. That's just the point. It's getting to the point where people care more about somebody they don't even know on the screen more than the actual human beings in their real life, because they think they're better than you because of a stupid number and a fake post. It's so bad now. Man, even older people got Facebooks. And that sucks. Because the older generation should be the ones trying to teach them what stuff was. But nope, y'all sold out. Y'all hopping on there with them and acting like this is what's up. Because y'all afraid of being left. Y'all couldn't even stand up for y'all selves and what y'all went through. Sad older people sold out. Because they did. What the fuck? Shit is, I mean, man, another messed up part is the fact that, like I said, it's like everybody on it. It's like so bad now that if you ain't on no social media, and especially the one I just said, then people act like they don't care about you. They act like that you just ain't important. Because I understand YouTube is social media too, but it can be used for good. It can. And that's what I do it for. But that's rare. And that's why it's just better that it just don't be around, period. You know? Especially the other stuff. The Twitter, all that. That's where it really get bad. My honest opinion. Because that's where everybody is at. And everybody is on there stunting and fronting. And you know, it don't make no sense how many people know people from in the past that they'll never mess with. It's like the come up. Ooh, let me see what you got through Facebook. Through this and that. Let me see what you got. Let me not be real. It make people see and do stuff they'll never care about. Like Instagram, you get to see all these chicks you'll never see in real life. Well, why don't you work on that in real life? Instead, you don't care because you get to see it on Instagram. Now you on there being thirsty, hoping these people that don't even know you, that got other thirsty people following them, give you some attention, which they're not. Because they're just like you. They don't care about who a person is. They just care about what they look like. How much money they got. How much attention they get. You see, it's so bad, even relationships have been replaced by the screen. You see, now, it used to be, hey, somebody approached you on the street. Now it's, oh, swipe left, swipe right, swipe left, swipe right, swipe left, swipe right. And I already explained how most people are liars anyways, and they just gonna come on there and lie about who the hell they are anyways. Like somebody gonna really come on there and tell you that they thirsty and that they really looking for BS and this and that they really on the come up and that they really don't look the way they really look. You know, these mugs will do anything to try to look a certain way. They're trying to stunt. That's messed up too. Your relationships are replaced by a screen now, and if they get with you, feel like you ain't nothing, they right back on that screen thinking that it's all good, not even realizing if people were good, they wouldn't really be on these websites. Trust me, the good people ain't on behind that screen. Trust me, they don't even have to waste their time. They don't have to be desperate. People who are good and got their shit together, they ain't got to be thirsty for likes and shit, because they know people gonna like them anyways, because they about something. But like I said, in order to get people to pay attention to you these days, it's like you gotta have something. You gotta show out. You know, that's why so many of these YouTubers nowadays, it's all about money and effects and lighting and all of this crap, because they know that it attracts thirsty people. It attracts people who think you about something. Because a lot of people just aren't that intelligent to see that it's not about what you got. It's about who you are as a person, your character. That's more important than, oh, I can buy all this stuff and show out. You see, it's so bad. That's why you got people clickbaiting and stuff. See, people are just phony now. Y'all care more about people who will lie to you on YouTube and clickbait you and stuff and do bogus stuff because they got views and because they got likes and this and that. And they actually give a damn about the message and the person. Then you got them out here now begging you now. You know, now YouTube has dropped a lot because it's like, now don't nobody want to do it just for free no more. To me, it's a sign of the times, because times always been hard. Jobs always been hard. And people are just thirsty to get any easy way out. They'll do anything for money. That's why people play the lottery and do crazy shit now. People are desperate for money. Trust me, people will do anything for money because they know once you get the money, you get to get all this phony attention and you can do stuff. They don't want to work hard and build nothing up. That's why you got all them begging out for money and all of that. That's why you got them clickbaiting now and doing all of that. They don't care about you. They just want your money. It's plain and simple. Because if they ain't had no money, trust me, they'd be trying to figure out another way to get it besides YouTube if they wasn't getting it off YouTube. Okay? These people really think these YouTubers really care about their fans. Really? That's rare. It's rare. But I hope y'all understand where I'm coming from in this video. It's sad, man. What happened to the days when people used to really just kick back, turn up with each other, chill, talk about the life, get to know one another better. Wasn't all in the screen all day. And you see it so bad, you would be around your so-called friends and family and still in your screen worried about people you don't even know. People lying to you. Damn near everybody is a liar these days. So I don't know why people trust people that much. Because they'll lie to you like people really will tell you what's wrong with them. Okay? These people, most of these people don't even got the heart to tell people the truth. And that's real. These people will lie to you before telling you the truth. That's a fact. Because it's easier to lie. But lying comes with worse consequences. And that's what they're going to understand in the long run. Because good people don't gotta lie. And don't give a fuck what you think, because I know what I'm doing is good. See, liars lie because they want you to keep this fake image about themselves. They want you to think that they're this and that. That's why they lie. They don't want you knowing the truth about who they are and what they really think and what they're really doing. Because once you do, then you're going to leave them alone. So why would they tell you the truth? People behind the screen. But like the video, comment, y'all. I'm going to holler at y'all later, man. Peace out.